Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of CS Slurps and Mystery Mondays. Today we're going to be trying HAO DIAO noodle soup, Chinese cooking wine flavor by Wumu. So I'm really starting to dig into all of these noodles that I picked up from 99 Ranch in California back in the wintertime. It's summertime now. This one here originates from Taiwan. If you've never had a Chinese cooking wine, if you've never had it in food, you might be surprised. It's in a lot of Chinese cooking. This one here features specifically HAO DIAO liqueur, and that is like a type of like Shaoxing wine. So very, very particular in taste. I'm really looking forward to see how this translates in instant noodle form. So enough of me talking, let's go ahead and give it a try. All right, we've got our noodle package here. This is what the noodles look like. We have our Shaoxing wine, one of our sauce packets, and our dry seasoning sauce bag. We're gonna bring 500 milliliters of water to a boil, add in your noodles, add in your dry seasoning, and add in that other liquid seasoning into the pot. We're gonna cook that for 2 minutes, turn off the heat, and then add the cooking liquor to the bowl. Give it a stir, and here we go. Let's go ahead and give this a try. All right, so this is the finished product. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Right, these ones are really different than I expected. To be honest, the first flavor I tasted in the broth was like a big healthy hit of garlic, lots of onions. It tastes so similar to Filipino pancit canton. I just could not get those flavors out of my mind. Probably because those flake powders also included a bunch of thick cut cabbage. We also have some carrots in there as well, some mushrooms, very vegetable focused. I really found that the cooking wine flavor, the Shaoxing wine or the HAO DIAO liquor in this particular instance took kind of a bit of a backseat. I feel like the garlic and the onion, those alien flavors are really, really strong, and to me was the focus of the noodle soup broth. So that was really interesting. You do have a mix, 3 different sachets that kind of contribute to that broth flavor. So you have the dry seasoning powder, which it does contain a good healthy dose of soy sauce powder in there. We also have the cooking liquor as well, the Shaoxing wine, and we also have a chili sauce packet as well. And that to me, there's not really much spiciness at all, really quite mild, soupy. The noodles itself, it's the wheat-based noodle. They use a bit of potato starch in there to help with that chew. They're nice and thin, kind of what you would find in like a lo mein or like a wonton noodle soup, but no egg in that at all. They were able to really retain its chew. Quick cooking time on this one is 2 minutes, so that was nice and quick to prepare. What I did find interesting that they actually included some sweet goji berries that were dried and kind of plumped up as the cooking process went. I'm not sure how much that lent to the overall flavor of the broth, but it was really interesting to see that because I've never actually seen that before in any instant noodle soups before. At least calories are quite low in this one. I think it's only 290 calories. Because I always find that instant noodles are always over 300, so it's good to see something that's a bit lower. But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a 3.5 out of 5. There wasn't anything particularly interesting about this. I felt the flavor was a bit misleading. And would I buy this again? Probably not. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell just at the top right-hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you for next week. Bye!